Hello student, welcome back to my channel. Today I will teach you time and work. Time and work chapter. Okay student, first time and work. So if a man works for 5 days, if a man works for, if one man works for 5 days, then if we, we increase the people, that is two men will work in half of time. Okay, so when whenever man increase time decrease. Okay, so there is a golden rule for it. M1, B1. Let me write it clearly. B1, H1 divided by W1 equals to into B2 B2 H2 divided by W2. Now I will explain what is M1, B1, H1 and W1. Okay, so M means man, woman. It can be anything. Okay, like it's a person. It's a person, or it can be a living creature. Okay, so like him can be man, woman, boys can be boys, girls. Okay, like this. So student, M means man. M can be man, woman, boys, and girls. Okay, so just remember this. Now I will explain what is D. D means, what is D? So D means days. D can be days. Okay, write it clearly. Days. D can be months. D can be months, and D can be years. Year. Okay. So D can be days, months, and year. And what is H? H. H means hours. H can be hours. Okay. Hours, minute. It can be minute. And H means it can be second. Second. Okay, student. So M means man, woman. I have written it down. Just remember this. And now we are moving to the W. What is W? So W equals to wages. Okay. W means wage. Excuse me. So student, I have clearly written here every single thing. So try to remember this. Okay. Try to remember this portion. And this is this is a golden rule. Just remember this. Remember this golden rule. Okay. Now, remember this golden rule. Okay. Now student, we are moving to the next concept. Okay. So student, if A can do a work, A can do a work in 3 days. Okay. And B can do the same work in 4 days. Okay. Just listen this. A can do a work in 3 days and B can do the same work in 4 days. Okay. So how to find out the time duration if they work together? Okay. So if A and B together work, then how much will it take to complete the work? Okay, student. So now we will find out A plus B together can do the work in how many days? In how many days? A can do the work in 3 days and B can do the work alone in 4 days. Okay. He, A is doing alone in 3 days and B is doing the same work alone in 4 days. And now if they together work, then how many days will it take to complete the task? So here is a golden rule for that. Okay. So the golden rule is A is multiplied by B divided by A plus B. Okay. So the this is the golden rule. Okay. This is the golden rule. If A can do a work in 3 days, if A can do A alone can do a work in 3 days, and B alone can do the same work in 4 days, then how many days will it take if they work together? Okay, so this is the golden rule for that, for this type of question. Okay, so now we will find out A plus B together. Okay, so how many it will take? We will we, we simply put the value here. So A means 3 days and B means 4 days. So student 3 plus 4, so equals to 3 into 4, that is 12, and 4 in 4 plus 3, that is 7. So it will take 12 divided by 7 days. This is the answer. Now we are moving to the next concept. Okay, I'm erasing it. If A can do a work in 2 days, okay, and B can do a work in 3 days, and C can do a work in 4 days. Okay, so they are doing this task alone. Okay, A alone can do a work in 2 days. B alone can do the same work in 3 days. And C alone can do the same work in 4 days. Now, if we ask, if I ask how many days will it take to complete the task if they work together? So we have to find out A plus B plus C. So A plus B plus C is they are working together. If they working together, then how many days will it take? Okay. So there is a golden rule for that. A, B, C divided by ABC divided by ABC by A plus ABC by B plus ABC by C equals to, so we will put the value here, we get 2 into 3 into 4, and we will mentally solve this. ABC by A, that is how many? ABC by A means this 4 into 2, that is mentally C, that is B is and C and C will cancel. So AB, that is 2 into 3, 4, 6. Okay. Mhm. Now calculating this 8, 24 divided by 26. Eliminating this 8, L5 make it done. A alone can do a work, piece of work in 2 days. B alone can do a piece of work in 3 days. And C alone can do a piece of work in 4 days. So how many days will it take if they work together? This is a question. Okay. So this is the golden for this. So including this, get this. Now I am placing this. Right? A can do a work. This is another concept. Okay. A can do a work in 3 days. And A plus B. A plus B, the work is A and B together can do the same work in 2 days. Okay. So how many days will it take to complete the work if B alone? B alone. So here find this as C. C. This is C. So the formula is A by C divided by A minus C. Plus C minus A. Okay. So I am doing mod here. I'm doing a mod of A minus C. So C in this case, this is the golden rule. Okay. This is the golden rule. So in this case, the answer will be I am calculating this. This is 4 divided by 3 minus 2. 3 minus 2. Okay. So the answer is 3 into that is 6. 6 by 3 minus 2 that is so 6 days. 6 days. So alone work then it will take 6 days. Okay. So it will take 6 days. Okay, friend. Got it? Please listen this carefully. Watch this video very carefully. So this I'm using this. Now we have a special code or concept that I will tell you whenever I will give you problems and I will solve this. So there I will tell you the concept. Okay. So are going through some problem. With this, they can get this working with this. It's 25% efficient and if together, they work together for 5 days. What factor of the work is left? So, if there is efficiency, let me explain the efficiency. Part. So, if there is efficiency, then the this golden rule between M divided divided by W1 efficiency will be ampere. Efficiency 1. 2 into this is the efficiency is correct. I do it to this. Now, how to solve this problem? It is this part is 20. We can convert everything part in 20 days. So, we can complete the work. Sorry, complete the work in 20 days. It is 25% more efficient than sleep. So, 5% more efficient. That is, we can do the work in 20 days. Then we can efficiency of A. Efficiency, efficiency of A equals to is 25% more efficient. That is, we can do a work in rate. A's efficiency is 100x. Then efficiency of B is 25%. That is 125x. Efficiency is this. What is the efficiency? What time it will take to the work per minute? So, quick. implies even. This 20 days and one means 100x. It means like into x. Right? So first in x divided by so in this. Okay, we can do our 20 days and uh, 16 days. Okay, we can do our 16 days. Now we will take LCM. It is can be LCM and LCM and LCM of A and B is LCM of A and B. So we can do the work. This is total work. 80 is the total work and A is doing 20. A they can do the work 20. Okay, so its work is 80 by 20. That is 4 days. They can do a work which is doing 4 units per day and it is doing 80 by 16 is 5. It is doing 5 units per day, right? Unit per day. So now you will see that they work together for 5 days, like 5 days. 5 days and they are together working. So if together A plus B that is okay, uh, A plus B 5 days. 5 days is 4 units plus 5 units. They are doing 4 units per day. B is doing 5 units per day. 4 and 5 that is 9. 9 units per day, 5 days. So how much work will be done? 45. Yes. Five work will be done if you work with a 5 minutes. Now, how much work is left? So, total work is 80 units. This is 80 units. Okay. So, from here to here, this is 8. And from here to here, this is 5. So, how much is this? 80 minus 55? 80 minus, yes, 5. 5 units work is left. What fraction of work is left? It is said what fraction? What fraction work is left? So, the 5 unit work is left out of total work is 80 units. This is the fraction. Unit unit will be cancelled. Will eliminate 5. We cancel it 5. So, the answer is 7 divided by 16. This is the answer. 7 by 16 is the answer. What fraction of the work is left? 7 by 16. You understand this? A minute more. I will provide this PDF with uh, this web by Telegram and keep the Telegram ready channel homepage. Okay. Channel homepage. Make sure to follow this Telegram ID and I will solve the rest of the problem later. Okay. Because you have to understand this and the concept very carefully, very deeply. Very deeply. So I am not doing this problem. I will do this. I will do. I will not make this solving this. So I will solve this. I request you to watch this video again that you can understand the concept very deeply and you can can you can solve problem. I will upload this. You can solve here. Okay. So one. So you can do self practice. Okay. Bye bye.